All right, so you should be on activity A. We're testing these baking powder, baking soda, cornstarch, gelatin, salt. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're just doing the appearance, whether it's coarse or fine. Y'all can answer it. All right, hey, quiet down, quiet down. Baking powder. You can tell, hey, you can look on here and it'll see if it's coarse or fine. Is that fine or coarse, do you think?
How do we do that?
You just write fine.
Fine?
In the fine, where it says, see the table, appearance, coarse or fine. Oh, you're on activity B, activity A.
Oh.
Activity A, appearance, coarse or fine. For baking powder, write fine. All right. So under this chart, you see activity A, appearance. Hey, Bree, you see that? Appearance, coarse or fine. For baking powder, write fine. All right. Y'all got that? You got that, Ulissa? Need one of these? Turn to this page. Yes. And we're starting here with the appearance. All right, so baking powder is fine. Now we're gonna do baking soda. Is that fine or coarse?
Fine.
That's also fine, all right? So baking soda and baking powder are fine. Write that on your chart.
Course is for
Activity A, collect data. Where it says substance, you have baking powder, baking soda, cornstarch, gelatin, and salt. Then you see appearance. So in that chart, we're doing appearance, whether it's coarse or fine. So baking powder and baking soda, they're both fine in appearance. Yes. Now we're gonna move on. Hey, now we're moving on to cornstarch. Hey, Brenna and Sid, please keep it down.
fine.
All right, cornstarch is also fine in appearance. Now we're doing gelatin. Hey, yes, now we're doing gelatin. Look up here so you know what's going on.
Course.
What is that? What does that look like? Does that look fine or coarse?
Course.
Coarse. So gelatin is going to be coarse. Is everyone caught up?
Yeah.
All right, now we're going to do salt. Fine or coarse? You tell me.
Course.
That's coarse. Of course it's coarse. All right. So if you're keeping up, you should have fine, 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 coarse, coarse. Gelatin and salt are the only coarse. All right, now we're doing the litmus test to see whether it's an acid or a base. If it's neither, it's going to be neutral. I'll spell it on the board for you because if you don't know how to spell neutral, some people don't. N-E-U-T-R-A-L. Some of them are going to be neutral. They're neither an acid nor a base. All right, baking powder. Litmus test. Let's see what it is. If it lines up with red and blue, then it's going to be neutral. All right, so baking powder is neutral. Has a neutral pH. You see where it says litmus, acid or base? You write it right under there. Write neutral. Don't write acid or base. Write neutral. And it's spelled for you right there. All right, next, we're going to do baking soda in the litmus test. All right. If it's acid, both of them will be red. If it's base, both of them will be blue. So in this one, since both of them are blue, it's a base. So for baking powder, it's neutral. Baking soda is a base. Baking soda is a base. Baking powder is neutral. All right, now cornstarch. Do the test. Hey, table one, keep it down, keep it down. All right, cornstarch is also neutral. Cornstarch is neutral. All right, so you should have neutral, base, neutral. Now we're on to gelatin. Let's see what it is.